Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss a grade 8 mathematics second term test paper for the upcoming term test. Today I am going to discuss 2025 Visakha Vidyalaya grade 8 paper. So, you can answer the paper given in the screen or go to my FB page and then download the paper and you can do that. After answering the question paper, listen to my discussion, then you can understand it very well. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 is appearing in the screen now. So you can answer them by pausing the video. Then question number 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6 in the first page. Answer them by pausing the video. Let's start from the first question. First one, what is the 11th term of the square number pattern starting from 1 and written in ascending order? How to take the square number pattern? We can take a square number. We can obtain a square number by squaring the number by the same number itself. So, to obtain the 11th square number, we have to multiply 11 by 11. 11 by 11. 11 into 11 is 121. That is the 11th square number. Then question number 2. What is the supplement of KLM? The magnitude of KLM angle is 42 degrees. So to find the supplement, we have to subtract this magnitude by 180. 180 minus 42 equal to 138. That is the supplement of this angle. Then question number 3. If the perimeter of a rectangular flower bed with the length of 20 meters is 70 meters, find its breadth. Let's draw a small diagram here. This is the flower bed. The length is given as 20 meters. Then we want to find the breadth. I'll take the breadth as x meters. Then we can form a simple equation here. The perimeter 2x. 2x plus 40. 20 plus 20. 2x plus 40 equal to 70. Then 2x equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30. Then x equal to 30 divided by 2, 15 meters. Question number 4, evaluate. We are given to evaluate this. To convert this subtraction into addition, we want to take the additive inverse of the second directed number, minus 7.5 plus, then what is the additive inverse of this? Plus 7. Now we want to do the simplification. What is the difference of the two magnitudes here? Here the magnitude is 7.5, here 7. Then the difference is 0.5. Then the sign becomes negative. As the largest magnitude is with the negative sign. So the answer is 0.5. Then question number 5. The price of an apple is x plus 6. The price of an orange is 3 rupees less than the price of an apple. Write an algebraic expression for the cost of an apple and an orange. Price of apple. is x plus 3, x plus 6. Then orange is 3 rupees less than the price of an apple. Then we want to subtract 3 from this. Then it becomes x plus 3. Then the addition x plus 3. Then there are like terms, x plus x is 2x. Then the two numerical values are added, 6 plus 3, 9. Then this is the algebraic expression for the cost of an apple and an orange. Question number 6. Write 2 examples for platonic solids. What are the examples for platonic solids? If you start from the very beginning, the smallest one is regular tetrahedron, then cube, then regular octahedron, regular dodecahedron and regular icosahedron. These are the examples. So you can write 2 of them. Then we want to answer the questions in page number 2. 7, 8 and 9 appears in the screen, so you can answer them by pausing the video. 10, 11 and 12 appears in the screen now. Question number 13 in the same page. Let's start from question number 7. Express 4xy minus 16y squared plus 12yr as a product of two factors. To express a product of two factors, we want to take a factor here, common factor. What is the common factor? 4, 16 and 12. All are multiples of 4. So you can say take 4 out. Then y is also here. So another y. This is the common factor. Then 4xy. If you take 4y out, then x is remaining. Then minus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then another y is remaining here. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then r is remaining. This is the answer. These are the two factors. One factor is 4y. The other one is x minus 4y plus 3r. Question number 8. Find square root of 576 using prime factors. We want to divide 576 by prime numbers. Let's do that first. I'll write here 576 divided by 2 first. 2 times 288. Then again divide by 2. 2 times 144. Again by 2. 2 times 72. Then again by 2. 2 times 36. 2 times 18. 2 times 9. Now we want to divide by 3. 3 times 3. Again by 3. 3 times 1. Now these numbers are the multiple. You can write 576 equal to the multiplication of these numbers. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2's. So you can group, you can take them into 2 groups. 2, 3 2's together. And 1, 3 in one group. Then there are another group like this. So you can write the square here. Then square root of this one. 576 square root of this one. Then we want to take the square root of the both sides. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, the square of that. Then the square root and square can be removed. Then the answer 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. What is the value here? 8 times 3, 24. 24 is the answer. Then question number 9. Simplify. 50 tons minus a subtraction. We want to write them one below the other. Tons, kilograms. 50 tons, then minus 27 tons, 175 kilograms. We want to take 1 ton into the kilogram side, then it becomes 1000. 1000 minus 175. Now here the remaining is 49. Here 1000. 1000 minus 175 is 825. Here 22 tons. So the answer is 22 tons, 825 kilograms. Then second one, 25 tons, 45 kilograms multiplied by 7. Let's write here. 25 tons, 45 kilograms multiplying by 7. 7 times 5, 35. 3 is remaining. 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Then here 7 times 5, 35. 3 is remaining. 7 times 2, 14 plus 3 is 17. Then the answer 175 ton, 315 kilograms. Question number 10. First part. Name the polygon that has bilateral symmetry but no rotational symmetry. We can take the isosceles triangle. If I draw isosceles triangle here, these two sides are equal in length. So we can find one axis of symmetry here. So it has bilateral symmetry. But if you rotate this around the midpoint of this triangle, it becomes coincide with the same diagram when one round rotates around its axis. So this has no rotational symmetry. So the answer is equilateral triangle. Sorry, not equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. That should be isosceles triangle. Second one, name the polygon that has rotational symmetry but no bilateral symmetry. We can take the parallelogram. Parallelogram is the example. It has rotational symmetry. The order of rotational symmetry in a parallelogram is 2, but it has no axis of symmetry. Then question number 11. Write in ascending order. We want to find the values in the given powers. Minus 1 to the power 3. Minus 1 is multiplied 3 times. So the answer here is minus 1. Then here minus 2 to the power 3. Minus 2 is multiplied 3 times. So the answer is minus 8. Then here minus 2 is multiplied 4 times. 2 to the power 4 is answer 16. Then the negative number is multiplied 4 times. So the answer becomes positive. 16 is the value. Here minus 1 to the power 4. Answer is 1. Negative number. Here this is a negative number. Then the power is even. So the answer becomes positive. Then what is the, we want to arrange them in ascending order. Then the smallest one to the largest one. Smallest one here is this one. Minus 8 is the smallest value. So, the power relevant to this one is minus 2 to the power 3. It becomes first. Then next one is this. Minus 1 to the power 3. Next this one. Minus 1 to the power 4. And last one minus 2 to the power 4. Then question number 12. Find the values of x and y. First we can find the value of x here. These two are supplementary adjacent angles. So the addition here is 180. We can write x plus 100 equal to 180. Then x equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80. Now how to find the value of y now? We can take here the exterior angle should be 60. The sum is 180. So 180 minus 120, here 60 is the value. Then we can take the sum of the exterior angles. The sum of the exterior angles in a quadrilateral is 360. So you can write the equation y plus 60 plus 135 plus 100 equal to 360. Y plus, what is the addition here? 295 equal to 360. Then y equal to 360 minus 295. The value is 65. Then question number 13. Simplify. We are given this to simplify. Addition. What is the common denominator of 15 and 10? 15 and 10, the common denominator is 30. The LCM of the two numbers. Then the first fraction should be multiplied by 2. 2 times 15, 30. 2 times 11 is 22. Plus, then the second fraction should be multiplied by 3. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 3 is 9. 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 over 30. Then this is a improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. So we want to write it as a mixed number. Then 1 over 30. That is the last answer. Questions in the third page. You can answer the questions 14, 15 and 16 now. Pause the video and answer them. Then question 17, 18 and 19. These questions, answer them by pausing the video. Last question in part 1, question number 20. Answer it also. Let's start from question number 14. Simplify. We are given to simplify these two. First one, 0.478 multiplying by 1000. When a decimal number is multiplied by 1000, the decimal point goes 3 places to the right side. So, it becomes 478. The answer is 478. Then question number 2, part 2 here. 7.28 divided by 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100. This is divided by 100. When a decimal number is divided by 100, the decimal point goes 2 places to the left side. So, we want to put another 0 here. 0.0728. That is the answer. Then question number 15. In a running event, Sarala ran 120 meters in the time that it took Naduni 150 meters. Write it as a fraction, the distance ran by Sarala in the time that Naduni runs 1 meter. First we can write it as a ratio. Naduni runs 150 meters. Then Sarala runs 120 meters. Then to make it 1 meter, we want to divide this by 150. Then both should be divided by 150 now. Then it equal to 150 divided by 150 is 1. Then here we can simplify this. 3 times 4, 3 times 5. Then it becomes 4 over 5. So, when Naduni runs 1 meter, Sarala runs 4 over 5 meters. The answer is 4 over 5 meters. Then question number 16. We are given to solve this. A simple equation. 4x plus 26 equal to 14. We want to remove this plus 26. Then 26 should be subtracted by both sides. Then here the remaining is 4x equal to 14 minus 26. 4x equal to minus 12. Then divide both sides by 4. 4 and 4 can be cut off. X equal to minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. Question number 17. Express 7 1 over 2% as a ratio and write it in the simplest form. First we will convert this into a mixed improper fraction. 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 over 2%. Then let's convert this to a ratio. 15 over 2 to 100. This is the ratio. How to convert this to simplest form? We can multiply both sides by 2 to remove this 2. Then it becomes 50 into 200. Now you can divide both sides, both terms by 5. 5 times 3, here 5 times 40. This is the simplest answer. Question number 18, first one. Write a set P in terms of a common characteristic of its elements such that the elements can be identified clearly, where NP equal to 0. That means no elements in the given set. What can you write for the set P? P equal to whole numbers between 1 and 2. Whole numbers between 1 and 2. That is a null set. Second one, write the special name given for that set. The name is null set. There are no elements in the set. You can write another example here. What are the examples? Multiples of 5 below 4. Like that you can write. Question number 19. Find the value of the expression 2 times x plus y plus x plus 4y when x equals minus 3 and y equals 2. First we can simplify this. Removing the bracket. 2x plus 2 times 3y is 6y plus x plus 4y. Let's do the simplification. 2x plus x is 3x plus 10y. Now let's do the substitution. 3 times x is minus 3 plus 10 times y is 2. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9 plus 20. 20 minus 9. The answer is 11. Then the last question. Question number 20. Two triangles are cut off from the rectangular lamina ABCD as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining part. We want to find the area of the remaining one. First, we want to find the area of the given rectangle and then subtract the two triangles. How to find the area of the rectangle? 13 into 10. 13 into 10 minus the areas of the two triangles are equal. Here, the same base and the same perpendicular height here. Yes. What is the base of a triangle? 10 minus 6, that is 4. Base of one triangle is 4 centimeters. Half into 4 into 5. 2 and 2 we can remove. 130 minus 20. That is 110. The unit is square centimeters.